Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. This will be a little short video, more like not too much about Corel. I will put a link to how I did this, and the gentleman was real. I just did it this morning, and this afternoon he sent me the cup that he engraved, and it came out really well. So I just wanted to kind of show that off. He's from Montana, and it worked out perfectly. He did a really good job at text to path. So I just wanted to get a lot of people will send me their final product after I've helped them. And it really makes a big deal and makes me feel good that I've actually helped somebody. So I'll put a link to how I inverted this elk. And if you don't really know what's going, this is a Yeti type cup that's been powder coated black, and he engraved the powder coating off. So everything that was white stayed black. It's not really white. If we do what we did in the other video, if we make it blue, go to object, forward or back a page, you can see everything blue is going to be black and everything black is going to be silver. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.